Okay, so we're going to start with Mugbook. This is the default opening of Mugbook. The first thing you want to do, it says right here to select the printer before printing. So we're going to click on select printer. We're going to choose the printer. We're going to select print. Now you want to choose the file that you will use for your images. So we find that file in our network. And we're looking for the final yearbook disc. Final yearbook disc. You notice how well that's working. And we're looking for Basha. We want the yearbook size. We want the numbered. And we click on the first one. Okay, so as we find the file with the images in it and we click on the first image, it gives us a preview of what that is. We then want to add the data from the data file, so we import a text file. We are having a tab separated text file. We click on select the file. We now need to navigate to where that file is located. Pretty much the same location, final yearbook, Basha. And it's the index.txt. We're going to open that. And then as it says here, it wants to identify the last name field first, the first name field second, the image name third, and the title fourth. So we choose last name and we click select field. Oops. Let me make this, let's make this so that you can see everything. So it wants the field, output fields must be in this order: last name, first name, image name, and then title. So we click on last name, we click on select field, it moves it over into this area, so the last name is the first field, first name is now the second field, image file name is now the third field, and the last field is the grade or title. We're going to create an output file. It asks us where we want to save it. We're going to keep it nice and neat and tidy, and we're going to put it with everything else. And the default is that it's called composite. We're going to leave it with that name. We click save. It gives us an error because there's a slash in this thing, but we're still going to keep it. Here we go. We're going to bring this the right size so you can see what's going on. And you see that it starts with S, that's the grade, it's a senior. Ackerman's the last name, James is the first, and 001.jpg is the image name. So we've got that. Now we're going to close this. We want to have this be 1 inch in width. We're going to print the last name first, that's what this means. We're going to center the text under the photo. So we want to print student names, we want to have the last name come first, we want to center the text under the photo. We're going to print the headings, and this is going to be Basha High Seniors 2014/15. And then we're pretty much ready to produce output. It now wants to find that text file, so we go back to where that text file, the composite, is placed. We click on that, we say open. It tells us that we're going to have a layout that's 6 by 6, so 36 images per page. And when we click this, it will print.